are playable. I need to go Zonia's. Shit, I just inted myself.
넌 이미 죽어 있다.
Shen.
아직 깨닫지 못했을.
Evil Azap. Can't win, can't win.
아직 깨닫지 못했을.
Walrus, the Bomba guy. Should I build Archangel on Gragas? You can, sure.
넌 이미 죽어 있다.
It's not a bad item by any means. Just weak power spike, but 25 haste is good. What? Oh my god, shut up. What if you go Spirit Visage on the build? No, you want to go Cosmic Drive on the build. Much better. And then your third item doesn't matter much.
Oh, he has like fake summoner as an eco. Okay, it's a fake.
Shen is adding me.
Barrier. Lee Sin wants to gank this, can be pretty good.
Brr. Brr brr patapim. I'm just gonna do this. You? He was good at it.